Welcome to Vocablab. In this lesson, we'll have a look at some words of the year 2022. The Oxford word of the year is goblin mode. A state of self-indulgence, laziness, and greediness. Someone in goblin mode unapologetically casts away social expectations. The Collins Dictionary word of the year is permacrisis. An extended period of crisis that causes permanent instability and uncertainty. The Merriam-Webster word of the year is gaslighting. A type of psychological manipulation that is used to mislead and confuse someone's perception of reality. The Cambridge Dictionary word of the year is homer. A term coming from the US. It means home run and describes a special way of scoring in baseball. And finally, the Vocablab word of the year is Halloween. A holiday on October 31st, when children dress up and go trick-or-treating. This was the most viewed video on our channel in 2022. What's your personal word of the year? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned.